I would like to tell you how we started off. Mr. Sunil Rane, who is the executive president of Atharva Group of Institutes, he had this unique concept in his mind wherein he wanted to have a pageant with a social cause. We started off last year as Western India Princess, wherein we had auditions in the west part of India. We selected girls from Ahmedabad, Pune, Mumbai, Goa, and around 500 entries, we selected to 20 girls, wherein they were trained by esteemed personalities from the industry, and they were trained in the five-star Blue Ocean Resorts and Spa. What the girls of the Western India Princess went to the remote parts of Maharashtra, and we picked up students, potential students who are not actually, who are deprived of education, who have the talent but they don't have proper source to actually get their education in hand. So we have sponsored those special children who are talented, who have that potential to study. We have actually sponsored their basic education, and we are actually helping through their career. Indian Princess this year has gone big because we have spread all over India. We have, as Shivani ma'am mentioned, we have auditions in the 14 cities of India, and we are picking up girls from every nook and corner. We've spread length and breadth, and this time we are making sure that we get talent out of every zone. This auditions will actually help. From these auditions, we will pick up 40 girls as mentioned. They'll go through a training in Blue Ocean Resort and Spa and also in Thailand by international professionals. I would like to tell this to all the models that this is a great opportunity for them because they're getting a great exposure in the sense of their modeling assignments, in the sense of the grooming themselves, because they're getting trained every day from, by international professionals. So I would just, again, I would like to thank Liquids for their support. I would like to thank Abrar.